Welcome to 1x0's AI Factory, powered by Amazon Bedrock Agent Core. At its base is the Foundry. This is the component forge where building blocks are standardized, such as reusable APIs, drag-and-drop templates, persona libraries, channels, and policy cards. The Foundry ensures security, compliance, and interoperability from day one. Above the Foundry is the Studio. This is the assembly line where your AI co-workers are designed and tested. Managers configure channels, personas, and KPIs through a guided UI. They can simulate tone, performance, and cost before deployment, and version your agents like products on a line. Right at the top is the Command Center, where oversight and operations track KPIs, budgets, and costs in real time, with dashboards and introspection logs. This gives managers human-in-the-loop control so that approving adjustments or updating goals can always ensure AI stays aligned with enterprise strategy. Together, the Foundry, Studio, and Command Center form the AI Factory, the most disciplined way to transform AI from scattered pilots into accountable, production-ready co-workers that scale responsibly.